The unbank mooted the ICC petition, and the petition questioning the unilateral abrogation of the VFA is still pending. Both were filed by senators wanting to question just where does presidential discretion end. And I understand that there would be a guideline in the ICC decision, but some people are asking the matter of the issue is live. There's still a drug war, people are still being killed. So they're asking, shouldn't the Supreme Court answer these questions? Because it's a question that the political branch is asking about the other political branch, about a very powerful president who has the tendency to do things unilaterally.
Okay, so you're interested on the details of the ruling of the court in ICC case involving Pangilinan versus Cayetano.
Yes po, if you may indulge us.
I will deviate with the procedure because I will allow the ponente, Justice Marvick Leone, to give you a brief answer to your question. Justice Marvick, do me a favor, please.
With pleasure, Chief, and on behalf of the bank. First, I'd like to clarify, Lian, the Pangilinan versus Executive Secretary did not deal with the drug war. It dealt with a very specific legal issue, and the specific legal issue was the constitutionality of the withdrawal of the consent of our adherence to the International Criminal Court, or the Rome Statute. So the court was focused on that, and with respect to the drug war and the impact of the case on the drug war, I think you have to wait for other cases that may be pending in the lower court or in the Supreme Court. I think there is one in the Supreme Court entitled Almonte versus Executive Secretary. The court actually not really mooted, but there were several petitions. The petition filed by the Senate was called by the Supreme Court as premature, in the sense that the Senate had a pending resolution that proposed its own action on the withdrawal, but it did not table it for discussion. So therefore, as on behalf of the Senate petitioners, the court held that it was premature. On the other hand, with respect to the other petitioners, it was moot because it was already delivered and acted upon by the International Criminal Court. The notice was already delivered. There was already an action by the criminal court. However, the court said that the power of the president to withdraw is not absolute. The president can withdraw. However, if the Senate has concurrence which is conditional, such as in the subsequent concurrences of the Senate on many treaties, then the president cannot just withdraw. The second condition is if the president was given negotiating authority, such as in tariffs, treaties, etc., then the president cannot, negotiating authority to negotiate a treaty, the head of state may not just simply withdraw because there is already action on the part of the legislature. And finally, when the legislature implements a treaty via a new statute, then they cannot just withdraw. In the case of the ICC, the law came first before the treaty. And I think in the decision, it is very clear that some provisions in the treaty may have amended the actual statute that was already produced. Let me add just a statement that the court tries to avoid getting into political issues, such as, for example, the drug war in general. We would rather attend to specific facts, raising specific issues in the proper way through the proper petitions, the right way, the right time, and the right place.